Hello, my name is John Bretza, Director of Product Development for Okuma Fishing Tackle. And I'm here to introduce to you the new Serrano low-profile reel. The Serrano is our dedicated saltwater low-profile reel, and this is going to be the flagship of the Okuma product line for baitcast reels. The first thing that you'll notice when you put this in your hand, it's extremely small for palming the reel. It's very compact, and it comes in at a very light 7.2 ounces. The current trend of the market is to make a reel as small and compact as possible, but still retain line capacity. We offer this in both a 200 and a 200W sizing. The 200W is what we call a high-rise spool or a large arbor wiffle style spool, and that holds 130 yards of 12-pound test. The deep spool, which a lot of the guys prefer for saltwater fishing, holds 160 yards of 12-pound monofilament test. With the small compact body and most guys using braided line or super lines, you put a lot of stress on the frame. So we kept what we call an ALC or Alumalite construction frame. It's a rigid aluminum frame, keeps everything in precise alignment. We managed to keep the right side plate aluminum, and what that does is it keeps all your drive shaft and gearing all in precise alignment. Many of the competition have decided to go to a graphite ride side plate to reduce weight. The Serrano still comes in lower than most of the competitors at 7.2 ounces. The Serrano features Okuma's velocity control system, which is housed on the left side of the spool. And what you do is you pull the side plate off right there, and right here you've got your cast control system that you can rotate the dial, which will very quickly and precisely adjust your cast control. And it's a very unique system. Rather than pulling pins out and pushing pins in to adjust a centrifugal cast control system, you actually rotate a dial either clockwise or counterclockwise to apply more or less pressure based on the winds and the style bait that you're fishing. Okuma has two different versions of low profiles. We have both the Serrano and the Cayenne. The Serrano, as mentioned, is a dedicated saltwater reel. The Cayenne is the reel for the tournament bass angler or the guy that's going to use it occasionally in saltwater. Both reels feature a high bearing count. The Serrano features 10 stainless steel ball bearings plus a roller bearing. The Cayenne is 8 ball bearings plus the roller bearing for the infinite and reverse. But both reels feature extremely high grade Japanese ABEC-5 grade bearings, which give you incredible free spool. The one thing that sets the Serrano apart as a saltwater reel is that it features what we call a CRC or corrosion resistant coating process. And what that is it's a spray of Corrosion X formula, which is extremely corrosion resistant. It penetrates the metal parts, and it's sprayed on both the external and internal components of the reel. The other key feature that sets the Serrano apart as a truly dedicated saltwater reel is the gearing. Both reels feature brass gearing, but the Serrano features what we call Durabrass gearing, which is much stronger, harder, denser brass gearing than what most baitcast reels traditionally use in the market. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to catch any type of big fish that takes a lot of torque and a lot of power out of the reel. With the Serrano being Okuma's top-of-the-line low-profile baitcast reel, we've given this reel an unprecedented 3-year warranty. For more information on either the Serrano or the Cayenne or any other Okuma product, we encourage you to visit one of your local retailers, or you can contact Okuma directly at 800-GO-OKUMA or via the web at www.okumafishing.com.